Hello student, good morning. My name is Zamre DM from Radhabai Kale Kanya Junior College, Kolkadi. I am teaching to you mathematics paper first. Its third chapter is trigonometry second. आता याच्यामध्ये आपण अगोदर एक्झाम्पल पाहिलेले राहिलेले एक्झाम्पल याच्यामध्ये आपण घेणार आहोत. सो टेक एक्झाम्पल. शो that sin of 8x plus sin of 2x upon cos of 2x minus cos of 8x equals to cot of 3x. Consider LHS. Sin of 8x plus sin of twice x upon cos of twice x minus cos of 8x. आता न्यूमरेटरला फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा आहे sin c plus sin d. फॉर्म्युला सांगतो 2 sin c plus sin d. फॉर्म्युला इज 2 times sin c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. दूसरा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा आहे तुम्हाला cos c minus cos d. फॉर्म्युला इज 2 times sin of c plus d divided by 2 into sin of d minus c divided by 2. Or here we write minus 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into sin of, here we write c minus d divided by 2. So LHS equals to sin c plus sin d 2 times sin c plus d angle ची addition भागिले 2 cos of angle is subtraction divided by 2 upon cos c minus cos d. Formula is 2 times sin angle is addition divided by 2 into sin of. आता इथे अँगल ची सबट्रॅक्शन घ्यायची परंतु सेकंड अँगल मधून फर्स्ट अँगल सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं मीन्स 8x minus 2x divided by 2 gets cancelled. Sin of here 8 plus 2 that is 10x divided by 2 means 5x into cos of 8x minus 2x that is 6x divided by 2 means 3x upon sin of 10x divided by 2 5x into sin of 8x minus 2x that is 6x divided by 2 means 3x. Gets cancelled. Cos upon sin ratio is cot of 3x equals to RHS. LHS घेतली RHS दाखवली. सेकंड घ्या. Second example. Prove that sin twice alpha plus sin of twice beta upon sin of twice alpha minus sin of twice beta equals to tan of alpha plus beta upon tan of alpha minus beta. Consider LHS. Sin of twice alpha plus sin of twice beta upon sin of twice alpha minus sin of twice beta. Numerator ला फॉर्म्युला वापरा sin c plus sin d. फॉर्म्युला is 2 times sin angle its addition divided by 2 into cos of angle is subtraction divided by 2 upon sin c minus sin d. Formula is 2 times cos of angle is addition divided by 2 into sin of angle is subtraction divided by 2 equals to 2 gets cancelled. Sin of बघा लक्ष द्या इकडे 2 कॉमन घेऊन कॅन्सल करा. ओनली रिमेन हियर अल्फा प्लस बीटा into cos of ये remain alpha minus beta upon cos of alpha plus beta into sin of alpha minus beta. Sin upon cos, angle same in tan of alpha plus beta into cos upon sin, angle same cot of alpha minus beta. Tan of alpha plus beta, cot it is reciprocal for tan, so 1 upon tan of alpha minus beta equals to RHS. Next example, prove that cos of 20 degree into cos of 40 degree into cos of 60 degree into cos of 80 degree equals to 1 upon 16. Solution. Consider LHS here. Cos of 20 degree into cos of 40 degree into cos of 60 degree into cos of 80 degree. Here cos 60 ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती तुम्हाला 1/2 पुट करा फक्त and then 1/2 हा पुढे घेतला into 2 ने डिवाइड केलं multiplied by 2. Cos 20 degree into cos of 80 degree into cos 40 degree into cos of 80 degree. Here 1/4 into cos of, here formula is kara 2 times cos A cos B. Formula is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. This means here cos of angle is addition plus cos of angle is subtraction into cos of 80 degree as it is equals to 1/4 into cos of 60 degree plus cos of is subtraction किया minus 20 degree into cos of 80 degree. 1/4 into cos 60 degree ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे तुम्हाला 1/2 plus cos of minus theta फॉर्म्युला काय आहे since cos of minus theta formula is cos theta. cos मध्ये निगेटिव्ह साइन ऍब्सॉर्ब होतं, means cos of 20 degree into cos of 80 degree equals to 1/4 into 1/2 into cos 80 degree means 1/8 cos of 80 degree plus 1/4 into cos of 20 degree into cos of 80 degree equals to 1/8 into cos of 80 degree plus 1/4 as it is 2 ने डिवाइड केलं multiplied by 2 into cos of 20 degree into cos of 80 degree equals to 1/8 into cos of 80 degree as it is plus 1/8 remain here into cos of 2 cos A cos B. हा फॉर्म्युला वापरा 2 cos A cos B. cos of angle is addition plus cos of angle is subtraction. Cos of 20 degree plus 80 degree plus cos of 20 degree minus 80 degree equals to 1/8 take throughout common, cos of 80 degree plus cos of 100 degree plus cos of minus 60 degree 1/8 in bracket cos of 80 degree plus cos of 100 degree we can write 180 degree minus 80 degree and the formula of cos of minus theta formula is cos theta means here cos of 60 degree. So 1/8 in bracket cos of 80 degree and we know that formula for cos of pi minus theta. Formula states that minus cos theta means minus cos of 80 degree. Cos 60 degree its value is 1/2. Cos of 80 degree minus cos of 80 degree gets cancelled. Only remain 1/8 into 1/2 that is 1 upon 16 and this means our RHS. याच्यामधला दुसरा पार्ट आहे बघा trigonometric function of angle of a triangle. Angle of triangle. आता एक दोन फॉर्म्युले प्रूव्ह करून दाखवतो, बाकी तुम्ही स्वतः प्रूव्ह करा. In a triangle ABC, A plus B plus C value is 180 degree or we can write pi. So therefore A plus B ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळेल pi minus C. Taking sine angle on both sides, sin of A plus B equals to sin of pi minus C. So sin of A plus B, sin of pi minus theta formula is sin theta, sin c. Sin of a plus b equals to sin c. Similarly, we can prove sin of b plus c ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल sin a. sin of a plus c ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल sin of b. अशा पद्धतीने प्रूव्ह करायचे. आता याच्यामध्येच आपण हाफ अँगल फॉर्म्युले पाहूया. इन अ ट्रायंगल ABC a plus b plus c ची व्हॅल्यू पाय बाय 2 90 डिग्री. वेट इन ट्रायंगल ABC a plus b plus c त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही कोणाची बेरीज 180 असते पाय. सो देयरफॉर a plus b equals to पाय minus c. मग हाफ अँगल तयार करायचा. a plus b divided by 2 equals to पाय minus c divided by 2. Means here a plus b by 2 equals to pi by 2 minus c by 2. Get sin angle. Sin of a plus b divided by 2 equals to sin of pi by 2 minus c by 2. So therefore sin of a plus b divided by 2 equals to, आता sin of 90 minus theta फॉर्म्युला माहिती तुम्हाला cos theta means cos of c by 2. सिमिलरली तुम्ही अनदर अँगल प्रूव्ह करू शकतात. sin of a plus c divided by 2 फॉर्म्युला येईल cos of b by 2. Similarly, sin of b plus c divided by 2 equals to cos of a by 2. Sin find out sin a plus b divided by 2 find out त्याच्यावरून तुम्ही cos of a plus b divided cos tan cot sec cosec असे सर्व प्रकारचे फॉर्म्युले तयार करू शकता तुम्ही. ठीक आहे. Okay, let us take an example. Let us take an example. In a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, prove that sin of twice A plus sin of twice B minus sin of twice C equals to 4 cos A cos B sin C. Consider LHS. Sin of twice A sin of twice B minus sin of twice C equals to, इथं फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. sin C plus sin D 2 times sin angle its addition divided by 2 into cos of angle its subtraction divided by 2. इथं sin 2 theta चा फॉर्म्युला वापरा. sin 2 theta formula states that 2 sin theta into cos theta equals to 2 times sin of what remain here a plus b into cos of a minus b minus 2 sin c into cos c equals to, आता इथं बघा a plus b ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करायची. इन ट्रायंगल ABC a plus b plus c बरोबर काय होतं, इकडे लक्ष द्या. a plus b plus c ची व्हॅल्यू पाय. मग a plus b ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळेल, पाय minus c. सो राइट हियर 2 times sin of pi minus c into cos of a minus b minus 2 times sin c into cos of, या c ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करा. cos c ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळेल? c here a plus b plus c equals to pi, therefore c equals to pi minus a plus b. Put here pi minus a plus b 2 times sin of pi minus theta formula काय सांगतो? sin theta means sin c here into cos of a minus b minus 2 times sin c, and cos of pi minus theta formula states that minus cos theta, so minus minus become plus cos of a plus b. 2 sin c take common, so what remain bracket here? Cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b equals to 2 sin c. आधी इथं फॉर्म्युला वापरा. cos c plus cos d, formula states that 2 times cos of angle is addition divided by 2 into cos of angle is subtraction divided by 2, a minus b minus a minus b divided by 2 equals to simplify this 2 sin c 2 2's are 4 sin c into cos of, what remain here? Minus b plus b gets cancelled, a plus a, that is 2a divided by 2 means cos a into cos of minus a plus a gets cancelled, minus twice b upon 2 cos of minus b remain here means 4 sin c into cos a. And the formula of cos of minus theta formula says that cos theta means cos of b equals to 4 times cos a right first into cos b right second, and third you can write sin c. This means what? RHS. अशा प्रकारे तुम्ही बरेच एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही सोडवा. ठीक आहे, थँक्यू.